Hi everyone, it's Nick, back from Black. I just wanted to take a moment to say huge thank yous to all of you for your support this year. Whether you've trusted us with your beams, recommended us to friends, or simply followed our journey. It's been another incredible year of transforming homes and seeing our clients fall in love with their spaces again. And we couldn't have done it without you. We wanted to let you know that we'll be closing a little earlier than usual this year. Lucy's been diagnosed with lupus, and as a family, we've decided to take some time out to seek specialist healthcare and recovery in Thailand. It's been a big decision, but it's the right one, and we wanted to be open with you, our extended Back from Black family. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you again for every kind word, every referral, and every message of support. We'll be back next year, refreshed and ready for another season of bringing light back into beautiful homes.